Yo, MK ondergrond. Ek is Electric Lexi en hierdie is jou Gig Guide. First up, we've got Touched by Nausea and Titan at Rumours Lounge in Joburg on the 2nd of May. Volgende is daar nog ene by Rumours, Friday Night Metal die 11de Mei met fantastiese bands so State Dependency, Besiege the Enemy in 11th Hour. From the 25th of May to the 16th of June, Truth in Its Burdens having its album launch tour with a poverty of ideals. Check online for more details. Last op die Space Guard, Only Forever album launch tour saam met Deities Muse van die 5de Mei tot die 23ste Junie. Loer op die net vir meer besonderhede. And that was that. Keep it underground. Lexi out.